Now we are going to see speed and velocity in this video. What is a speed? We will be saying some car is rashly driving and moving, how speedily it is moving. What is a speed? Distance covered within a time. If a distance covered by a person within a short time, or else long distance with a constant time. So these are called a speed. In the running race, we are calculating the time, the 100 meter, how fast the child, how fast the participant is completing the distance within a short time is called as speed. So what is speed? Speed is distance by time. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Here the word rate denotes not the amount. The rate denotes time, not the amount. So distance covered by time is defined as speed. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Unit of speed is meter per second. Distance is measured in meter and time is measured in second. We have studied in fundamental quantities. The measurement of distance is meter and time in second. So unit of speed is meter per second. Speed is classified into two types. One is uniform speed and another one is non-uniform speed. What is uniform speed? In 5 minutes you are covering 5 meter distance. In another 5 minutes you are covering one more 5 meter distance. In such a way, in each 5 minutes you are covering 5 meter distance. Is called as uniform speed. Equal distance and equal interval of time, the body is said to be in uniform speed. Non-uniform speed, that means the bus will be moving very fastly. Suddenly, because of the traffic, it slows down, and then it is moving moderately. Then because of the signal, it stops. So the speed is varying, depends upon the time. Unequal, and the bus is covering unequal distance and unequal interval of time. The body is said to be in non-uniform speed. For example, in 5 minutes, the bus covers 10 meters or else 20 meters. Then another 5 minutes, there is an heavy traffic, so it is covering only 5 meters. In another 5 minutes, it is covering again 20 meters. So the equal interval of time, the bus covers different distances. Such a thing is called as non-uniform speed. So what is an average speed? The total distance covered by the bus by the time taken is called as average speed. Then velocity. You know the difference between distance and displacement now. What is a distance? There is a no direction, just measuring the path where we used is called as distance. Difference between the two displaced point is called as displacement. In the same way, distance by time is called as speed and displacement by time is called as velocity. So again, the definition of velocity is rate of change of displacement. What I said here, rate is not an amount or money. Rate denotes time. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. SI unit of velocity is displacement is also measured in meter as like as distance. So meter per second. The unit of speed and velocity is same, meter per second, but the formula is distance by time is speed and displacement by time is velocity. Have you understood now what is distance, displacement, speed and velocity? As speed, here for velocity also two types. One is uniform velocity and another one is non-uniform velocity. From the speed you can easily understood what is uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. Covering equal displacement in equal interval of time is called as uniform velocity in the same direction. Either the speed or the direction changes is called as non-uniform velocity. As average speed, average velocity is also total displacement by total time taken. Have you understood now what is speed, velocity? Speed and velocity. Okay, thank you.